Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of the amazing renovation queen, Johanna Juhlin. Hailing from Sweden, Johanna is a true artist and craftsman who has a deep passion for transforming old items into something brand new and beautiful. You know those things in life that captivate us endlessly, like fire, water, and of course, working women? Well, Johanna falls into that category. Her expertise lies not only in apartment repairs but also in the art of painting and renovating. Alongside her twin sister, Johanna runs a successful business that specializes in these areas. Born on August 15, 1994, in Östersund, Sweden, Johanna has amassed a loyal following who truly admire her work. Many have even expressed interest in hiring her and her sister for their own renovation projects. Additionally, Johanna's fitness journey has garnered attention, with people applauding her dedication to working out and conquering new challenges. It's not uncommon for jokes to be made about intentionally damaging walls just to have an excuse to hire Johanna for the repairs. But Johanna's talents extend far beyond her renovation skills. She is a total fitness enthusiast, enjoying activities such as running, spinning, and strength training. Constantly seeking out new and demanding workouts, she maintains a healthy and fit lifestyle without following strict diets or meal plans. Johanna embodies the perfect balance of indulging in good food and drinks while ensuring an active lifestyle. Isn't that the kind of equilibrium we all strive for? Let's give a round of applause to Johanna Juhlin, the ultimate boss babe who excels in all aspects of her life. She certainly knows how to slay the world of renovation and fitness. Thank you all for tuning in today and taking the time to get to know Johanna Juhlin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Leave a comment below and let us know which part of Johanna's journey resonated with you the most. Until next time, keep crushing those goals. Thank you again, and stay tuned for more exciting content.